I remember freaking Riley this one time. He was like sending it all over the place, everywhere at one time.
It
At
was,
one point.
yeah, because it was the hottest people. That was the hot server that I
What
liked.
is like? It's the hottest. What?
Man, I'm so glad I never watched it. I never will.
You haven't watched Black Friday before?
Don't even think
No,
about
send
it
it,
before I
send it.
hunt you down.
Bro, look at the way he looks and looks. Look at
You're
his eyes.
still watching it?
Oh,
Look at his eyes.
you're enjoying it, aren't you, Angel?
Yeah.
Of course, it's Angel.
Yeah, I was joking when I said I enjoyed it.
Is that it? Where's
You're
part two?
right.
Where's the part two, bro?
He looked at me straight in my eye. Randy, young boy. Do you guys know who has Game Pass? I don't have to pay for it. I'm dead.
Oh my
Wait.
gosh!
I beat it!
I was
did
it! I was actually here for a completion.
Look, it's gonna be the one that's gonna be left alone.
Oh my gosh!
Actually make this for
Thank you.
I think they got to talk about gay sex.
No, fuck, no, fuck. Fuck. Not again.
You died there again?
Nine. No! I did it again!
Where?
The same spot!
97?
Yeah!
I did it
I'm
again.
good for
How far you make it?
95. Hey, it's been a while once again. Wow, what a surprise. Oh, yeah, so I beat Black Blizzard. Yay. I do plan to do another level once again. Wow, time to treasure yourself immediately. It's such great person. Yeah. I'm so good at managing stuff, but I don't plan to beat this next level, which is Bloodbath, like I said. I think I said that. I don't plan to beat Bloodbath or start beating it until April, since I need to kind of take a break from beating difficult levels. Right now I'm practicing it, but I'm not gonna try beating it because I don't want to go straight into another difficult level after literally just beating Black Blizzard like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, however long it's been. So I'm not gonna beat anything. I'm not gonna be streaming for a while. Hopefully I do make videos. I really do want to make some, but it's just that sometimes when I feel like it, I'll just suddenly lose the motivation immediately. I really want to do review videos, but I'm not sure how good I am at those, so I might just do it. I don't know though. So I'm not back technically. I'm not saying that ever. I'll probably be posting a few stuff. My next artist is Yada. Bloodbath is just something I'm gonna be doing in between, so I could like get better at the game a little bit. So yeah. So that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna be living. I was getting mad a lot at Black Blizzard, so I didn't want to stream. I didn't want to show like all my anger. All right, that's it. Goodbye, and have fun listening to the freaking music. Yes.
All right, Miguel. This song's for you.
Finally, I hear it at last. You played so terribly. You played that song so terribly.
Weren't you supposed to play your anime song?
I know what song he's I know what song he's playing. I know what song he's playing. He's playing the clown song.
Are you actually using your instrument, Riley?
He is.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. that